With Halloween right around the corner, we get a lot of questions about our mascots and where we got them and are they worth it. So today we're going to look at Pikachu. This costume came from China, and this is one of the times it can be a risk because you don't know exactly what you're getting. And I got it from Alibaba or whatever it's called. And some stuff when you get a ship from China, you just don't know. But I took a chance on it because I think it was only like $150, $200, something like that. So I took a chance on it, and this is what came. So obviously we got the head. Head doesn't look bad. It really doesn't. The inside of it, you can see it's got like the little spot to put your head in. If you look on the other side, you can see I've had to put this mesh material in there because when it came, his mouth was actually just wide open. It didn't have, you could just look right into it, so that doesn't work out too good. It also comes with the feet. These are basically just long slippers. They do have plastic on the bottom. They do have a rubber thing inside to hold your foot in, but so it comes with those. And the last thing it comes with is the actual body part. This is the body part. It's the back of it. And this is made out of foam. And it doesn't hold, it never had a good shape to begin with. It was smushed because they sent it in a box, but and I do believe the head was inside the body when they sent it. So I've done everything I can to try to get this to go back to a round shape, and it doesn't work. The good parts about it, the head's not bad. The head stays in place. It wasn't built bad. It's pretty hard stuff. It looks good. It looks really good. The ears are starting to fall a little bit from their weight, but the head doesn't look bad. The body, not so great. Now, when I ordered this, I got the biggest one that they have, and if I put this on, it ain't gonna work because the length of it. You can see it only comes down, there's about, if I put the suit on and I put the shoes on, I still got that much of my leg showing. That's just my leg. So not that you're supposed to have a 6'2" Pikachu anyways, but this costume, even though it says on their website that it's meant for somebody that's 5'10" to 6'2", I wouldn't be comfortable putting this on anybody that's bigger than 5'8", or maybe even shorter. I would say anywhere from 5 foot to 5'8" is the good range on this. Now it does look really neat. I usually have my son put this on, Gabriel. You've seen him in the videos before, and I'm not exactly sure how tall he is, but it fits him very well. Heat. This gets hot quick too. There's a little ventilation that comes up through the bottom, but once again, you're putting on a big furry foam ball, so naturally the heat is going to he can only stay in it for 15-20 minutes at a time, and but the kids love it here. He gets lots of pictures taken, and it's pretty cool. So if you're thinking about ordering one of these from China, just know what you're getting. It's not bad. It's not bad, but it's not going to be perfect. You can see it's kind of disformed or whatever. It looks good when it's on, but again, if you're taller than 5'8", not a good idea. Not a good idea at all. But overall, I would say this is a good buy for, I think, like I said, I think it was 150 maybe. I don't remember. We've had it for about a year now, so it has held up. He's had it on several times. Yeah. So with Pikachu, I'm Dan, Retro Reboot. See ya.